It's an insole for women who wear high heels,
Yes.
and we found a video as well for it. So the product basically costs $2, and the shipping is around $2. So we're looking at about 350 to $4 as our cost.
Yes.
So I did some research and I looked around, and there's people selling it from 3.99 to 14.99.
Perfect. So when I sort of price items, I don't really price check. I believe there's a video in the course, but I can go over it again where you don't want to see how much the product costs on eBay and Amazon, and don't let that discourage you from launching the products. Because I know that a lot of students, when they see an item, they Google it, they see that you could get it from Amazon or from eBay for $5. You know, how can I make profit off this item? I can't
Right,
beat Amazon's pricing.
right,
But ironically, what happens is when you sell on Facebook, you're really just going for those people who just purchase on the spot. They see your video, they get attached and invested into the video, they click through to your website, they see your website, they see your product page, they get invested into that, they just purchase on the spot because you offer a good deal and they really need that product and they feel like they can't get it from anywhere else. That's sort of the market you're going for. Yes, there is roughly 20% of people that actually go ahead and cross your ad, get out of Facebook, go on Google to go ahead and price compare to see if they get it somewhere else cheaper, and they
yeah,
go ahead and do that. So I'm going to give you an example. I used to sort of sell this product. It was sort of like a serum. I would buy it from AliExpress for $2 and I would sell it for roughly $25. Now you will get that exact same serum on eBay or Amazon for like $5, but
okay,
I was able to scale my product to like 10k days despite that. So I never compare pricing. I just sort of price out where I believe the product people would be willing to purchase. So in this case, you know, I'd sell this at maybe 16.99, 15.99 plus 5.97, 5.95 shipping. That's where I think people would be willing to purchase this, despite people being able to buy this for like $3, $4, $5 off eBay or Amazon.